Hello everyone, my name is Shah, although you probably know me better from Twitter as Blaziken. I'm really excited to be here with you today. So I am a huge Pokemon fan, not so much from the card trading side, but from the game themselves. I have been a seasoned player and watched multiple generations of Pokemon series. So yeah, I think I'm eligible for this hackathon event. And on top of that, I am also a seasoned supporter of the repeatable ecosystem. So which is the reason why I am here to share Poketrade.fun, a platform built by Pokemon fans for the Pokemon fans. So without further ado, let's get into it. So what is Poketrade.fun? Think about it like football.fun, but instead of trading football players, you are here to trade Pokemon cards. You can buy packs, build your own deck for the tournaments, and collect valuable Pokemon cards on the secondary market and much more. Although it's inspired from football.fun, we do have much more things planned that resembles well within the Pokemon world. So the next question that comes in everybody's mind, how does it work out? So you buy Pokemon packs using our native currency Poke. You earn shares of these Pokemon from cards on these packs. You trade cards, shares on these secondary markets if you wish to do so. Once you have these Pokemon cards, you can set up your own Poke team to participate in weekly, monthly, and yearly tournaments. And all of this is powered by our native token Poke. So you use this Poke to buy packs. You can use this Poke to trade shares. So in simple words, football.fun has gold. Here we have Poke. Hope that is clear. So what exactly are these card shares? So for each season, Poketrade.fun will issue a new batch of Pokemon cards. So these Pokemon cards are distributed via packs randomly, or users can catch them all in the open markets. So what value does these cards have? Think about each card like a separate token. Each token comes with a fixed supply, aka shares. So we as a card issuer mint these cards and set a fixed supply for each card and add initial liquidity to define the initial price per share. So on the MVP, which is in the testnet phase currently, we have considered following numbers, although it is subject to change. So each card comes with 100k share of the total supply. As an initial liquidity, we add 1000 Poke with 6400 shares of cards, which leaves us with the cost of each share at 0.15 Poke. Let me show you how it works on our MVP. Once you go to Poketrade.fun, click on Play Now button. It will redirect you to testnet.poketrade.fun. So here connect your wallet, and once you can do it, so you will be receiving the faucet token, which is Poke 1000 faucet token, right? Also remember to have base Euphoria E in it so that you can do some transaction and explore. So as you can see, I've connected my wallet. I'll just give a quick refresh, so you'll be able to see 1000 Poke token here. So using this, you can mint your starter pack. I'm clicking on this. So here what you do is you basically do 3 transactions, one for approving the Poke token, and one for minting the pack, and one for unpacking this pack. So let me do this one by one. So the approval is confirmed. So the next one is minting the pack. So the minting is done right now. So nearly 200 Poke will be deducted now, although the numbers are not fixed as I said earlier. The last one is unpacking it. So once you do this, you will receive your packs, random packs. So you just got a neat little animation over here. So as you can see, you have received random cards. So I'm just clicking on view inventory to see the cards I received along with the number of shares. So the price is shown over here is, it will be different because we have been exploring the testnet product for quite a while, and based on trading in the secondary market, it value fluctuates, right? Also over here in the market, you can buy the tokens in the secondary as well. So as an example, I'm just clicking on buy for one of the randomly one token. So here you can do 2 things. One is converting the shares to Poke token or converting Poke to shares. So since here I'm going to buy shares, so I'll just put a random number. Let's say 250, and here you can see I received this many shares of this Pokemon. So here as well I need to approve it. And then submit the transaction. Yeah. So once I do that, I'll be able to see it in the inventory as well. Just giving a quick refresh. It just take few seconds to reload here. So yeah, as you can see, I just bought the tokens here and the number of shares I received. Also, you can track all your activity over here in the activity page. Right? So this is all we can do in the testnet product currently, and we have so much more things which is being built behind the scenes, which will be released and shown revealed in the upcoming days. So coming back to the PPT, right? The price of the card will swing based on the demands for each cards, and the demands are based on the performance, aka Poke score, of each card on the tournament. So these numbers are just sample to show how it works on the MVP. So the final official numbers will be much more different as we balance our economic system. So the Poke score, as I discussed earlier, will be the core of the tournaments. Defining these numbers and performing score of each card is purely based on competing events in real life. It's pretty much the same like how football.fun grades their players based on their performance on the fields. It's the same here with a different game. The metrics to define the score is under development, and it should be a complex system with different scoring layers to make our tournament super competitive. And Nas Joy, aka our AA agent, will be responsible for collecting all these data from these events and defining the final Poke score for each of the cards. And lastly, talking about the tournament, these tournaments will be hosted weekly, monthly, quarter. And trainers, aka card collectors, aka share owners, will choose a Pokemon lineup to participate in these tournaments. Like I said before, Pokescore will be defining the result of the tournament. That means a lineup with the most Pokemon with the highest Pokescore will be the winners. So the prize is Poke Points, which can also be used to buy packs. The final Poke Point rewards will be distributed to the winning lineup based on their owner's shareholding. Again, this mechanism is tied to our economic model, which is yet to fully define, and numbers shown or spoken are not fixed and subject to change as we develop a fully fledged balanced system. So that's all from me for this short demo. Just to reiterate, me and our team were able to develop this concept and make an MVP in such a short notice. I hope you like it, the concept and the game mechanism that we are bringing to Pokethon. Thank you.